Hey guys, it's AJ over here at HOGWORKZ, and today I'm going to talk to you about our 7-inch Halomaker for the Indian motorcycle. It's got a 3600 lumen low beam, 5400 lumen high beam. It's got a shatter resistant screen, comes with a lifetime warranty, and is also plug and play. Let's get it on the bike. All right guys, so first we're going to pop off the trim piece around the headlight. We're going to use a pry tool for that. I'm going to start up top here, and pop it out. And comes right out. All right, after getting the trim piece off, we're gonna take the 4 Phillips head screws out. We're gonna take the retaining ring off of the stock headlight. Get those loose. Pull the ring off. All right guys, from here, we'll let the headlight hang. And we gotta take out 4 bolts right here. Those bolts are 10 mil, and we have to take these out to get to your plug on the harness for the headlight. Harness. We'll take the stock headlight out of the bracket. Now we're going to take our 7-inch HOGWORKZ Halomaker and put it into the stock bracket. Make sure your DOT number's facing up and the HOGWORKZ logo is on the bottom. I put the retaining ring back on while it's on the bench. Make sure your holes are lined up and the retaining ring is on the correct way. Phillips. Put it together loose so everything lines up. And we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Now that we have our headlight installed on the bracket, we can put it back in the bike with our adapter. This is our HOGWORKZ headlamp adapter. It is required when installing your HOGWORKZ LED headlight on any 20 and up newer Indian motorcycle that comes stock with an OEM LED headlight. You'll need this adapter. Right, first we're going to plug the adapter into our Halomaker. And now we're going to install it on the bike. Now we're going to plug into our OEM harness here. And we're going to tuck this back up top there, out of the way, so nothing gets pinched. And we'll put this in first, put the top piece in first, slide the bottom in, and then take your 4 10 mil bolts, install these. Go ahead and tighten those down nice and snug. You can pop on our trim piece. Make sure your rubber seal is pressed up against your trim piece all the way around. You put the bottom in first like this. Tilt it up until your clips find their home. Snap right in. Make sure it's sealed. Remove your fender cover. And that is how you install the 7-inch LED Halomaker from HOGWORKZ on your Indian motorcycle. See you next time.